Yes.
Okay. Good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia, and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data from Good Day Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am. I understand English.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
Ma'am.
Can I know, do you know which
Lusarada, ma'am.
place they were designated? Sorry?
I don't know, ma'am.
Okay. So our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
This is your first time working abroad, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Why did you choose to come here in Malaysia? Why you didn't choose to go Singapore or Hong Kong?
Because Malaysia is safe for OFW, ma'am.
Okay, can you help me
No
introduce
salary.
yourself? Okay, can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Yes, Arslon. I'm 29 years old and I live in Sitio Almaray, Barangay Atlaim, Malungan, Sarangani Province, Philippines, ma'am. I'm a Roman Catholic. The birthday is July 22, 1995. I have a kid. He is 2 years old. He's a boy. And I'm single mom, but I have we're not yet married.
So you are single with live-in partner. Okay, I need to know some few more details from you. What is your height and your weight?
My height is 5 flat, ma'am, and my weight is 52 kilograms.
What is your educational background?
Graduate, ma'am.
Sorry, can you repeat again?
Graduated high school graduate, ma'am.
Okay, so who will going to take care of your kid once you come to work here in Malaysia, as this is your first time working abroad?
Yes, ma'am, first time.
Yeah, who will going to take care of your child?
My partner, ma'am, and my mother-in-law.
How old is your live-in partner and what is his occupation?
His occupation, ma'am, is a merchandiser butcher in SM.
Okay,
He's
so
20,
how many brother and sister do you have? How
sorry,
many
ma'am.
brother and sister do you have?
I have 2 brother and 4 sisters.
What is your rank in your family?
4, ma'am.
You're the fourth.
Number
Okay.
4.
So are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you? Do you know
Yes,
that
ma'am.
be do you know that being a domestic helper is very hard?
Yes, ma'am.
You need to be flexible, you need to be multitasking, okay? So in your by data, it was stated that you have a working experience way back 2013 to 2015 in Parañaque for 2 years. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay, can you share it with me? What are your responsibilities to your previous employment in Parañaque? What did you do there?
Um, my responsibilities there, ma'am, is uh, clean clothes, cleaning the house, assist my employer because she's a senior citizen,
How old is the elderly that you take care?
ma'am.
How old?
79, ma'am.
Female or
79,
male?
ma'am. Female po.
Okay, so while taking care of this elderly, do you do cooking, laundry, and ironing also?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so way back 2016 to 2017, you also work in Negros Occidental, right?
Ma'am.
You worked there for 1 year. Am I right?
Ma'am.
Okay, can you share it with me? What are your duties there to your previous employment in Negros Occidental?
My work there, ma'am, is all around clean the house, wash clothes, ironing clothes, and gardening, and
You do cooking?
ma'am,
Okay.
all
You do
around, ma'am.
house chores, gardening, cooking, laundry, and ironing. That's all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so and way back 2022 to 2024, you already a full-time mom.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so Joy, there is no such a thing here that you will just do house chores only, okay? You need to get ready yourself, you need to prepare yourself because houses here is quite big, yeah? So
Yes,
you
ma'am.
might experience those things that you didn't experience in the Philippines. So you need to prepare yourselves. Are you okay to take your children while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people? Can you
I'm
take
sorry,
care
ma'am.
elderly people?
Ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, but
Can
willing
you
to learn.
Okay, can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you okay to take care pets? Are
Sorry,
you
ma'am.
comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you have a 2 years contract, as I have mentioned quite many times already. It's not 2 days, it's not 2 weeks, it's not 2 months, and definitely it's not 1 year. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home, okay? Nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia. Once you breach your contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency. Usage of
Yes,
mobile
ma'am.
handphone, you are not allowed to use your phone during working time, but instead you can hold your phone during nighttime only after you finished your job for the whole day. And you will render
Yes,
your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, every week you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out. If you will work on your rest day, employer will
okay,
going to
ma'am.
compensate your salary. Are you okay with the rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if you agree, then it's okay. You can come. You need to follow our rules and regulations. If you disagree, then it's okay also. We don't force people to come here. Just don't give us trouble once you come to reach here in Malaysia. Because in our initial interview, we already informed you about all these things and you also agree, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you healthy? Do you have any health issues?
No, ma'am. I'm healthy.
Okay, so are you mentally stable?
Sorry, ma'am.
Are you stable? Your mental?
Yes, ma'am.
How do you fight homesickness knowing that this is your first time working abroad and you will working quite far away from your family?
I
What will
will
you
call
do?
my family after.
You will call your family after work.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so Joy, this is not the Philippines. In Philippines, we might be the boss, but in other countries, no such a thing. Or here in Malaysia, no such a thing. Okay? We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer because you're the one who will be working inside their premises for 2 years. Any problems, any concerns, inform your employer directly. Okay? We need to humble ourselves, as I have mentioned. Don't bring the law of the Philippines in other countries because they have their own law also. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I think that's
I
all for
understand.
now. Thank you for now. I think that's all for now. I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you so much and have a good day. Bye. Thank you, Miss